Welcome to the AI Prosperity Hub. Today we're tackling one of the hottest questions. Is there a safe way to invest in Bitcoin and avoid scams? The global economy is in constant flux, a truth felt acutely in recent times. Traditional financial systems are facing unprecedented challenges. Inflation erodes the value of savings, and geopolitical events create volatility in the markets. In this climate of uncertainty, individuals and investors alike are seeking alternative avenues to protect and grow their wealth. One such avenue that has garnered significant attention is Bitcoin. Bitcoin, a decentralized digital currency, has emerged as a potential safe haven asset. Its decentralized nature, operating independently of central banks and governments, appeals to those seeking an alternative to traditional financial systems. However, the world of Bitcoin can be complex and daunting for newcomers. Understanding the fundamentals of Bitcoin and, more importantly, how to invest in it safely, is paramount. This exploration into the world of Bitcoin will serve as a guide for beginners. We will delve into the principles of secure Bitcoin investment, empowering you to navigate this new financial landscape with confidence. Our focus will remain steadfast on safety, equipping you with the knowledge and tools to protect your investments in the exciting, yet often unpredictable world of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin has often been touted as digital gold, a hedge against economic uncertainty. Its limited supply, capped at 21 million coins, has drawn comparisons to precious metals like gold, often seen as safe haven assets. When traditional markets falter, investors tend to flock towards assets perceived as stable and intrinsically valuable. Bitcoin, with its decentralized nature and finite supply, has emerged as a potential contender in this space. However, it's crucial to approach Bitcoin with a balanced perspective. While its decentralized structure and limited supply are attractive features, Bitcoin is still a relatively young asset class. Its price is known for its volatility, susceptible to market sentiment and speculation. Therefore, it's essential to understand that Bitcoin, like any investment, carries inherent risks. Investing in Bitcoin requires a long-term perspective and a tolerance for risk. It is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and any investment should be made with funds you can afford to lose. Before venturing into the world of Bitcoin, it's crucial to conduct thorough research, understand the technology, and most importantly, prioritize security measures to protect your investment. Security is paramount in the world of Bitcoin. Unlike traditional financial systems with intermediaries like banks, you are responsible for the security of your Bitcoin. This responsibility necessitates a proactive approach to safeguard your investment. The first line of defense in protecting your Bitcoin is understanding the importance of private keys. A private key is a secret code that gives you access to your Bitcoin. It's crucial to store your private keys securely, offline if possible, to prevent unauthorized access. Losing your private keys is akin to losing your Bitcoin, as there's no central authority to recover them. Another critical aspect of Bitcoin security is enabling two-factor authentication, or 2FA, on all your accounts. 2FA adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, such as a code from your phone in addition to your password. This makes it significantly harder for unauthorized individuals to gain access to your accounts, even if they have your password. Beyond secure wallets and two-factor authentication, choosing the right platform to buy and trade Bitcoin is essential. Reputable exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken prioritize security and have a proven track record. Make sure to check reviews and choose exchanges with robust security protocols in place to keep your investments safe. Staying informed is equally important. With price tracking tools like CoinMarketCap and Crypto.com, you can monitor Bitcoin's price in real time, set alerts, and make timely decisions in response to market movements. Finally, don't overlook the power of information in protecting your assets. News aggregators like CryptoPanic and Cointelegraph provide up-to-date news on crypto trends and alert you to potential scams, helping you stay one step ahead in the fast-evolving world of cryptocurrency. By combining secure wallets, two-factor authentication, reputable exchanges, price tracking, and reliable news sources, you'll have a well-rounded toolkit to navigate the exciting yet unpredictable world of Bitcoin safely. Exchanges are your gateway to buying and selling Bitcoin. Choosing a reputable exchange is crucial for the security of your investment. Look for exchanges with a proven track record, robust security measures, and positive user reviews. Research their security protocols, including cold storage practices, which store a majority of user funds offline, making them less susceptible to hacking attempts. When evaluating an exchange, consider factors like transaction fees, withdrawal limits, and customer support responsiveness. It's advisable to start with smaller amounts and gradually increase your investment as you become more comfortable with the platform and the overall process of buying and selling Bitcoin. Remember, once you purchase Bitcoin, it's generally considered safer to transfer it to your personal wallet, which you control. Exchanges, while generally secure, are still potential targets for hackers. Storing your Bitcoin in your wallet gives you greater control and reduces the risk of losing your investment in the event of an exchange security breach. Wallets, your Bitcoin's secure home. Bitcoin wallets are digital storage solutions that allow you to store and manage your Bitcoin. They come in various forms, each with its security features and levels of convenience. Hardware wallets are considered the most secure option. These are physical devices, like USB drives, specifically designed to store your private keys offline. This offline storage, also known as cold storage, provides the highest level of protection against online threats. Software wallets, on the other hand, offer greater convenience for frequent transactions. These wallets are applications installed on your computer or smartphone. While generally secure, it's crucial to download software wallets only from official sources and ensure your device has robust security software to mitigate risks. Beware of scammers. Protecting yourself from fraud. The world of Bitcoin, while offering immense potential, also attracts scammers looking to exploit unsuspecting individuals. It's crucial to be aware of common scams and equip yourself with the knowledge to protect yourself from fraudulent activities. One prevalent scam is phishing, where scammers attempt to steal your private keys or login credentials through deceptive emails or websites disguised as legitimate services. Always double-check website URLs, be wary of unsolicited emails requesting personal information, and never share your private keys with anyone. Another common scam involves fake investment schemes promising unrealistic returns. If an investment opportunity sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Be cautious of individuals or companies guaranteeing high returns with little to no risk. Thoroughly research any investment opportunity and be wary of high-pressure sales tactics. Bitcoin and the law navigating regulations. The regulatory landscape for Bitcoin varies significantly across the globe. Some countries have embraced Bitcoin, establishing clear regulatory frameworks, while others remain cautious or have implemented restrictions. It's essential to stay informed about the legal status and regulations surrounding Bitcoin in your jurisdiction. Understanding local regulations is crucial for tax purposes as well. Bitcoin transactions may be subject to capital gains taxes, just like traditional investments. Consult with a tax professional to understand the tax implications of buying, selling, and holding Bitcoin in your country of residence. Staying informed about regulatory developments is crucial for navigating the legal aspects of Bitcoin. Subscribe to reputable cryptocurrency news sources and consult with legal professionals specializing in digital assets to ensure compliance and protect your investments. Expert advice, diversification, and risk management. Investing in Bitcoin, like any investment, carries inherent risks. It's crucial to approach Bitcoin with a long-term perspective and implement risk management strategies to protect your investment. Diversification is a fundamental principle of investing, applicable to Bitcoin as well. Avoid putting all your eggs in one basket. Consider diversifying your portfolio across different asset classes, including stocks, bonds, and real estate, to mitigate risk. Start with an investment amount you're comfortable potentially losing. Bitcoin's price can be volatile, and it's essential to invest only what you can afford to lose. As you gain experience and knowledge, you can gradually increase your investment exposure. Investing in Bitcoin can be an exciting endeavor, but it's crucial to prioritize safety and security. Experts recommend diversifying your investments and only putting in what you're prepared to lose. By understanding the fundamentals, choosing reputable exchanges and wallets, being aware of scams, staying informed about regulations, and implementing risk management strategies, you can navigate the world of Bitcoin with confidence and potentially reap the rewards of this emerging asset class. Thanks for watching. If you learned something valuable, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and let us know your thoughts below. Join the AI Prosperity Hub as we explore finance and technology for a brighter future.